Hello, this is Shawn Manderscheid, and today I'm talking about different market conditions. If there's anything that I've learned over the years, it's when there's major shifts in a market and you have a major peak, there's always a major valley behind it. Otherwise, if you have a major valley, there's a major peak on the other side of that. So the trigger of an extremely unusual market can look different. I know currently what's happening in our local Houston market is we've been a year and a half with interest rates that went more than twice what they were before. And that's incredibly different, and that obviously can trigger a very unusual market. And so for the last year and a half, we have seen buyers very much hesitate across the board. And a lot of times, all buyers do the same things. So this would be a very unusual market, and it was created by a very unusual shift in interest rates that more than doubled, like practically overnight. So this would be a major valley in buying activity for the last year and a half. And so like what we're telling our buyers that they should seriously consider is, even though they have the luxury of, really taking a look at houses and not really getting too serious about anything, because nothing is pushing them to have to make a decision today. Across the board, they're hesitating, just like a lot of the other buyers in the market. Everybody doing the same thing, and we're recommending that they think seriously about making a decision today, because people don't move trying to time markets. We're fascinated by it, but at the end of the day, we move because of a divorce or a new marriage or a new relationship or having a kid, needing more space, going to different schools, whatever. That's why people move. And so the main point is to make clear that there are very unusual markets, and you want to look out for those. And when everybody's doing one thing on the buying side, it would be in your best interest to act different than that. To act different than is common. Right now, everybody, second guessing and not being very motivated to take action. This is a great time, because we also have, and this is just a specific example, low inventory right now. And once everybody decides to get off the fence and buy houses all of a sudden, I've seen this too many times. The inventory that's already low is going to get depleted, and then you're going to have all the buyers competing over the same homes, and probably a lot of multiple offer situations in a very competitive situation, probably having to pay pretty significant prices, or maybe prices over the asking prices, and which could be alarming and potentially dangerous for resale. So something definitely to take into consideration, and remember to look for extremely unusual markets. And it's always advantageous as a buyer to do different and to act differently than what the majority of buyers have done. So hope that helps, and we'll talk to you more next time. Thanks so much.